Welcome to our channel. Activating your Chase Sapphire card is easier than you think, and we're here to guide you through every step smoothly. Welcome to our channel. Getting started with your Chase Sapphire card is exciting, and activating it is the first important step to unlock its benefits. Here's a simple, professional, step-by-step guide to help you activate your card quickly and securely, so you can start enjoying your new rewards and features right away. Step 1. Have your Chase Sapphire card and personal information ready. You'll need your card number, date of birth, social security number or ITIN, and any other identifying information to verify your identity. Step 2. Visit the official Chase website or open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone. It's important to use only official channels to keep your information safe. Step 3. On the Chase homepage, locate and click on the option labeled Activate Card. This will take you to the activation section. Step 4. Enter your card details as requested, including your card number, expiration date, and the security code from the back of the card. Step 5. Provide verification information such as your date of birth and social security number to confirm your identity. Step 6. Follow any additional prompts, such as creating a username and password if you do not already have a Chase online account or app profile. This will help you manage your card and account going forward. Step 7. After submitting your information, you should see a confirmation message indicating your card has been successfully activated. If not, double-check your information or try again. Step 8. If you prefer, you can activate your card by calling the Chase activation number printed on a sticker attached to your new card. Follow the automated instructions carefully. Step 9. Once activated, sign the back of your card for security and start using it for purchases to earn points, travel benefits, and other rewards exclusive to the Chase Sapphire line. Remember, activating your card promptly helps protect your account and enables you to use your card without any delays. Enjoy all the perks that come with your Chase Sapphire card. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated with more handy guides and tips about your finances and credit cards.